Hi, my name is Virginia Szepietowski. I'm from London, UK. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Naiad, for an early stage startup building software for the water industry. We are now based in Alabama, relocated recently. We were recruited over here with Techstars. We're a startup ecosystem. We found customers, we found investors, academic partners. A big upfront cost without knowing for sure whether we were going to get accepted. So we put in a lot of work, making sure that we actually meet at least 3 of the 8 O-1 criteria. It's a long process. It's not a cheap process, but it's absolutely worth it. And it's also provided a lot of investor confidence. So we had some investors who are contingent upon us receiving our visas. It was actually recommended to me by my Techstars MD. A couple of other companies that had good experiences. Tukki team were great, very responsive. The dashboard was great because it means that I could have at a glance, I could check see the progress in all the different areas. One of the major reasons why I didn't go with a normal law firm, I wanted it to be a kind of piecemeal process so that by the time I actually completed the last bit of evidence, the rest of the application was good to go. I think it sped up the process a fair bit. Oh my God, it was the biggest relief in the world. An interview at the US Embassy in London, which was approved, had our passports sent back, and we were on the flight almost the next day. The visa process and the question of whether we were going to get the visas has taken up a huge amount of kind of brain space. Getting that just sorted and done has freed up a lot of time and energy and meet the team you're going to be working with, check that they are going to be responsive. Also, having all the costs up front was really nice with Tukki. Probably that there was quite a significant team behind it, and it wasn't just one person we were dealing with. We spoke with the kind of more senior attorneys. I definitely felt like a priority for them. Happy with the service, we're happy with the results. They made what was a unfamiliar process for me as a foreigner. I'd always get a really speedy response and give me recommendations of extra steps to take.